it's not out of the country.
It's okay. He loves an audience.
Oh. There you go. She's there right now. Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Chrissy, her Jackie Warren caught her. Jeez. Jackie Warren mad.
They are harsher than hard. I think they're worse than these than they were.
I'm not very
But they're safe, Greg. Canada.
Mad Rick.
I got the perfect angle right here.
We all made them in our show.
I changed first, so I made them to you then.
Do you have any Epsom salt?
Yeah.
You might want to show your light. Not bad for whatever. Not bad person. You know, like taking your own pills. I'll do an Epsom salt bath.
I used to I would do an occasional play bath in my liver stuff.
What was later?
We've got to save this girl. Yeah, that guy. Well, lay in your stomach.
The doctor said that was when I broke my collarbone. I broke 3 in half. Well, move it like this. It's like you can see this one into the bone. It's sticking out of my skin. I'm pretty sure it might be broken.